Pork shumai dumpling is our signature dish. Carlton pork in Oregon. I'm happy to cook with local ingredient, Bob's red meal oats, instead of Asian pastry. Kitsune Udon, Japanese sweet fried tofu udon noodle soup. You have farm vegetable, kale and leek this week. So please use kale and a lot of leek. So leek is make you warm. And also you can add your favorite chicken or pork or ginger as well. Tofu, which is the oldest tofu company in United States. One of the reasons I decided to open a restaurant here because of that I can get the real tofu. Real tofu is very important for nutrition and also for washoku cooking. It's really many tofu recipes here. I'm really happy, and I think we're really happy to have the tofu here. Enjoy flavor.